Hello student, today I am discussing with you the main features and important sites of the Harappan civilization. As we did in previous video, the introduction of the Harappan video, if you're not seen yet, please link in the description and you can check the previous video. Overview of the previous video is that in Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization, how it evolved and how it signifies the main features of the civilization. Probably the drainage systems, the their worship systems, etc. So now today I will discussing about the important sites, agriculture, domestications of the Harappan civilization. So, firstly, the important cities of the Harappan culture is mainly Harappa in Punjab, Mohenjo-daro, Chanudaro, Lothal in Gujarat, Kalibangan, and Banavali. As we did in the previous videos, the town planning and structure, because we have already studied about the citadel and lower town. Again, citadel is linked with the merchant class and the lower town is linked with the common people there, and already within the drainage systems. Now the comes to the agriculture of the Harappan civilizations. In the time of this culture, the area is totally rainless and the 15 centimeter rainfall exists because the rainfall is strictly directly proportional to the growth of agriculture. If the agrarian society wants to develop, then the rainfall, the precipitation plays important role. As we can see that the Harappans are good in the agriculture because the Indus people produced wheat, barley, peas, etc. They also produce two types of wheat and barley. A good quantity of barley has been discovered at Banavali, and they produce sesame and mustard. Again, Lothal has different position. The people of Lothal used rice whose remains have been found. How remains been found? Because the excavation of stratas exists there. And now we come to the domestication of animals. Harappan practiced agriculture. Animals were kept on a large scale. Oxen, buffaloes, goat, sheep, and pigs were domesticated. Humped bull were favored by the Harappans. From the very beginning, dogs were regarded as pets. Cats were also domesticated. Again, camel is used as bits of burdens because these domesticated animal used in the agriculture processes. Evidences of horse comes from a superficial level of Mohenjo-daro and from a doubtful, and this is a doubtful segment. Terracotta figurine from Lothal is found there. And when we are coming to the technology and crafts of the Harappan civilization, Harappan culture, that is, Harappan culture belongs to a Bronze Age. That means the alloy of copper is used. They use tool of stone but acquainted with use of bronze. Bronze was made by the smiths by mixing tin with copper. We can already determine the age as the Bronze Age because bronze is alloy of copper and still used in the macro level. And copper was obtained from the Khetri mines of Rajasthan and Balochistan. Again, it is a very important point to memorize about these bronze and where these people take coppers, because the answer is the Khetri copper mines of Rajasthan and Balochistan. Tin from Afghanistan and Bastar is already used. And we are talking about the craft. Pieces of woven cotton has been recovered from Mohenjo-daro. Textile impression found on several objectives. Spindle wools were used for spinning weave, wove cloth of and wool and cotton. And now we are coming to trade. As we did in my previous video, if you not watch yet, then you can watch the about the trade of the Harappan people. The importance of the trade in the life of the Indus people is attested not only granaries found at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal, but also by the presence of numerous seal. Seal again is a type of token which is stick on their goods. And again, uniform script and regulated weight and measures. Harappan carried on considerable trade in stone, metal, shell, etc. within in the Indus culture zone. Again, we can say that Harappan civilization is contemporary to Mesopotamian civilization because the trading evidence is found both of sides. In return for the financed goods and the possibly food grains, they produce metal from the neighboring areas by boats and bullock. They practiced navigations on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Now, now the political organizations. We are not clear idea about the people's political organization of the areas, but the cultural homogeneity of the Indus civilization. No temple has been found at any Harappan site. No religious structure of any kind except the Great Bath, which may have been used for holy purpose, is found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa was possibly ruled by a class of merchants. Again, Harappa was possibly ruled by a class of merchants. Now come to the religious practice. In Harappa, numerous terracotta figurines of women have been found. That is Mother Goddess. Harappa's worship earth goddess, like Egyptian worship Nile as goddess Isis. Again, because they are nature worshippers, same like the Egyptian worships Nile river as the goddess. The male deity in the Indus Valley is represented on a seal. This god has three horn head. And now we are coming with the Harappan script, because the script is very important to determine the archaeologically evidences. The we can say that the Harappan scripts, as we take example of Ashokan scripts, the Brahmi script. If we have knowledge about the script reading, then we have clue to take knowledge about that period. So when we come to the Harappan script, the Harappan invented the art of writing like the people of ancient Mesopotamians. Harappans did not write long inscriptions. Inscription is thing which is wrote in a stone, in a tree, in a rock, and most inscription recorded on a seal. These seals may have been used for people to mark and identify their private property. Again, seals are used for the people to mark and identify their private property. Harappan script is pictographic. That means in the form of pictures. As we done with the Harappan poetry in the last video, if you not watched, please you can. Then seals we are already discussing, and the terracotta figurines, that is the figurine from the exhibition. We have figure of ox and the mother goddess. So this is the all Harappan civilization. We can say the contemporary name is Indus Valley civilization, and we are coming to the declination and the end of the civilization, because the unity and uniformity in is this region is probably made from the one ruler. If the ruler is in the lack of power, then the end of the civilization may be done. And we can say that the disaster which plays the important role in the ending of the civilization. So this is all about the Indus Valley civilization. If you like, then you can share and subscribe my channel.